Life on TV shows a dead bird.
Look, a dead bird.
Let's touch it.
Let's touch it.
Oh shit, mama, come on.
So what happened to the bird?
Oh, mama.
Okay, make it stand. I want to look. Can you do it, brother? Please.
Okay.
Make it stand. Just like the lizard.
Can't do it.
Use the stick. Look.
It's the stick.
Look there. Okay, there's a baby bird here. I think it's mommy or daddy. Whoa!
Wow.
Look at it fur. Beautiful, but it dies.
Oh, fluffy.
So guys, oh, this is cute birdie. Hi. Look. That bird. The dead bird. So this is the bird.
No. Let's go in the house.
So guys, thanks for watching.
I found the eye.
So thanks for watching this bird. Bye.